One of the things that I've noticed about Frederick Douglass High School is they pre-prepare the students before they come into the workforce. A lot of these opportunities these kids have right now are things that, we see in people well in their 20s and 30s, they're not having coming in through the gate. To have someone that's, 5 steps ahead of the next person is very beneficial.
I got into class, I did all the work, I did the assignments. We even worked on a house, a real house. I didn't know nothing at all about construction. I didn't even know how to use a tape measure. It's been great.
I didn't want to do nothing in the healthcare field. I felt like it was overhyped. My mom was like, just try it out. And I went and I instantly knew it was something that I want to do and take part in. I started getting the hang of it and it was easier than I was expecting it to be.
They really set up my future for me. I came here, like I said, I wanted to do construction. Once they figured out what I actually wanted to do in construction, which was welding, they said, okay, they lined up some colleges for me. It made me feel supported.
Our organization and all the Cleveland building trades benefit from a program like Frederick Douglass because the students already have a step up. They've worked with their hands. They've gone through a program where they've done shop practice. Plus, they've also had the opportunity to have some of the trades come in and talk to them, so they already understand what it's like to get into a particular trade.